Hi, my name is Casey Parlette. I'm a sculptor out of Laguna Beach. And today I'm going to show a little process of how I make an octopus for a big piece I have coming up. The tentacles, I like using blacksmithing and metal fabrication techniques to kind of hammer life into the metal, because metal, when you start with it, is kind of soulless. So I like to kind of use the textures and all that to sort of represent some of the textures in the octopus. Doing it fabricated, all the pieces are all forged and hammered and welded. So this is part of the process of doing a tentacle. And here we have a few more tentacles going in and kind of building it around this whole piece to kind of build out the ecosystem. But this piece here in particular, it's kind of showing a whole coastal ecosystem. So octopus are just part of that. So I want to have it where it sort of interacts with the other elements in the system. Here's putting some of the suction cups in and building it around the piece. I have a lot of control over sort of getting the flow the way I want it and making all those tweaks on site. So that's one of the reasons I like doing the fabricated stuff. Here's put in some of the webbing. I like using bronze for all these. This is all out of bronze, but the webbing's all textured and hammered bronze that kind of brings out a little bit of that mottled patterning that octopus have. And it's all kind of shaped and bent and cut to sort of fit in between the rods that I'm using for the tentacles. Here's the piece. It's not quite finished yet, but you get an idea of where it's going. And it's starting to look a little bit more like an octopus. And eventually I'll put a patina on this piece, and stay tuned because I'll be doing a big reveal on this sculpture, which will be a public piece that'll be displayed in Laguna Beach.